Are you looking to start your adaptive equipment services in New Jersey? Waiver Consulting Group is here to help. These services, enhancing mobility and independence, are authorized under New Jersey's Medicaid Home and Community-Based Services Waiver Programs, Community Care Program for the Elderly and Disabled, Support Program Waiver, Acquired Brain Injury Waiver, Personal Care Assistant Waiver, and the Home and Community-Based Services Waiver. The New Jersey Department of Human Services manages funding, the Division of Developmental Disabilities ensures quality, and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services provides federal oversight. To become an approved provider, apply through the New Jersey Medicaid Provider Enrollment Portal. You'll submit required documents such as Articles of Incorporation, Employer Identification Number, National Provider Identifier Proof, insurance, professional certifications, policy manuals, and undergo a program readiness review by the Department of Human Services and the Division of Developmental Disabilities. Upon approval, you can bill Medicaid. Waiver Consulting Group offers comprehensive support to launch compliant adaptive equipment services. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.